Hello guys, hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Chaos Chao. Zookstar's here to help you, and this is the tutorial video of how to make a Chaos Chao. Now, in order to make a Chaos Chao, you have to reincarnate it twice. So that's the first step. The first step to make a Chaos Chao is to reincarnate your Chao twice. Now, reincarnation requires happiness, and reincarnation requires happiness, requires treating it very well, because if you don't treat it very well and if it doesn't like you, it dies quickly. So it dies on its first life if you abuse it too much. No, if you reincarnate it if you reincarnate it it it, it will be left as an egg, and it will enter its second life, and when it reaches 5 it reincarnates again, and it will reach the end of its second life, and now it's on its third life. So step 2 is to collect all of the 21 animals. Now if you collect all of the 21, if you collect one of all of the 21 animals, that from each location of the stage, you have to use the hero and dark characters to feed it to give it all of the 21 animals, because if you give it more than one, it won't be the Chaos Chao, and if you abuse it after that, it won't become the Chaos Chao. So after that, third step is to give it fruit and have some time with it. So for the evolution of the Chaos Chao, you have to reach the Chao's stamina onto level 5 and over, because if it's on stamina level 5 and over, and if it's sleeping, just wait for its evolution. And after, on step 4 and final, sorry guys, I couldn't speak properly, but on the 4th and final step, fourth and final step is let me think. I've got it. It's to wait for its evolution after you had some time with it and you gave it fruit, and if you feed it the random 10 chaos drives, then it might be a Chaos Chao. Then after you gave it all of the 21 animals, you would like to give it 10 random chaos drives, and it might still work, and that's it. There you have it. After that, the Chao will enter its blue cocoon, and the hero Chao born will play. If it's raised hero Chao, and if it's neutral, it won't play any song before the Chao born jingle plays. Scary Chao born plays, and if it's a dark Chao, it plays the dark Chao born song. I mean jingle. Sorry, jingle before the Chao born plays, and there you have it. That's how to make a Chaos Chao. For more vlogs, music, gaming and animation and tutorial videos, like, comment and subscribe, and hope you guys encouraged me to do the good, and there you have it. That's it for today's tutorial video of how to make a Chaos Chao. So if you haven't seen my 100 subscribers video, click on it so you don't miss out. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.